In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an email from Notion. If you manage contacts, leads, or updates in a Notion database, you can send a tailored email from any row with a single click. We'll set up a button, tell it what to send, and then trigger it. Open the database that holds the items you want to email about. Add a new property and choose Button. Give it a clear name like Send, so everyone knows its purpose. This button appears on every row, which means each entry gets its own one-click email. Next, open the button's settings. For the action, select Send an email. This tells Notion to compose and dispatch a message whenever the button is clicked for that specific row. Now configure the content. You can define the recipient, subject, and body using your existing database properties. In the To field, point to the property that stores the recipient's address, so each row sends to the right person. For the subject, mix fixed text with values from properties, such as the page title or a custom subject line you maintain in the database. In the body, write a clear, friendly message and insert properties to personalize details like dates, links, or notes. Keep paragraphs short, add line breaks for readability, and include a concise sign payoff. If a property might be empty on some rows, phrase the surrounding sentence so it still reads naturally without it. You are ready to send. Click the Send button on the row you want. Notion pulls data from that row, fills the email, and sends it immediately. If you encounter an error, double check that the To field resolves to a valid address and that your subject and body aren't blank. Test first by sending to your own address. For clarity, keep subjects consistent and lead with the key detail in the first line. And that's the workflow. Create a button, configure its email action with dynamic fields from your database, and click to trigger it directly from Notion. Thanks for watching.